guys, we're still stuck here at Glenthorne. Apparently help's on the way. Just thought I'd post a video of an update of the conditions here. Holly's still here with me. Still coming up, even though some people are saying it's falling. We're still here with my two dogs, waiting to be picked up, hopefully by a boat, if not a helicopter. Jordan and Zaf are safe. They got airlifted out of here about half an hour ago. There is SES boats out the back now. Fingers crossed we get out of here pretty soon. Stay safe, guys.